So I've been feeling very distressed since morning, and I know a lot of you have been feeling that. And I asked him some questions, he gave me some answers, and it was important to share it with all of you also. He told me to have patience, that he told me to wait because situations will change, but it was important to convey it to you. So that's why I'm connecting with him, and I again want to kind of figure out what he wants to say and what he wants to convey to you guys. And I know that all of you are feeling stressed out because of Ria getting bail and everything. So he's saying basically that no matter that we are feeling stuck, no doubt we are feeling stuck with the devil card, but then with King of Wands he always keeps moving forward. And then there is Three of Swords in the end, which came into the last reading, and he did say that something will happen which will not like, or which will be a problematic situation, but that will lead to something better, and that is why we don't have to be worried. And he's still saying it again. If I see six number has again come, I don't know what is the significance of six number. I thought it's going to be 6th October, but no, it's not. It could be 10th, because if you combine all the numbers of date, month and year, it becomes 6. But I'm not sure, but I know that 6 is important. Something is going to happen, and the truth is definitely going to come out. Things will definitely progress further. And yeah, there she jumped out again, Queen of Wands, and there is Five of Swords. So he's saying that whatever she's doing, whatever is happening, the truth is going to come out. All three people that are involved in the situation will come out, and they will get their due. Once I see Queen of Wands, I never ask Sushant if you're there or not, because I know he's there, and I just want to know what he wants to tell you guys, because everybody is concerned about Ria getting bail and things happening, and are also doubting if CBI will say it is a suicide. So what is it that you want to convey, Sushant? What is it that you want to convey to all of us? So he's saying that yes, there is a situation that has unfolded, and there is Page of Sword and Knight of Cups. There's a situation that has unfolded, there's a new message that has come, there is something new that has happened, but it is going to lead to something. And understand that everybody wanted Ria to be the one to take all the blame, and she was the murderer and everything. But when she comes out, all of the people who wanted her to be the only one be blamed and get this case closed, are going to come out. They're going to take some actions, they're going to do certain things, and that will make them come out. And also, in case there is a case of suicide, there is abatement to suicide that will come in picture, and then also the things will happen. And then there is Six of Cups again. This person is somebody who's done it, is somebody who's very close to him, nurtured him, was part of his past, present and future. But definitely this person is going to come out, and that's the burden on his heart, but that person is going to come out. And I was saying that even if abatement to suicide is filed, the case is not getting closed, and we can't forget that his body is still there, his body is still not found, that truth has still not come out, and this will lead to that. He again is saying there is Chariot, there is Ace of Pentacles, there is Star card. They're saying that things, though money definitely is in play, but the things that will happen in due time. Things will come to light when the star shines. Everything can be seen still, and that is what is going to happen. We never know that when if at all it is declared as suicide, even if it is done like that, in case the truth comes out that the postmortem was not done to his body, or it was not his body at all, or something is found out, then also this case can take another turn altogether. That is why don't worry, don't think negative, don't see. Again, he's saying that something is going to come out of it, a positive message is going to come out of it, and we have to not again. So he's saying Nine of Wands, there is Seven of Wands, and there is 10 of Wands. He's saying that don't leave your ground, don't be scared, we are close to it, don't take burden. Things will come out, and it will happen, justice will happen. I'm still on the same. And there again, so there is 10 of Swords, there is 4 of Cups, and there is justice again that has come. And he's saying that though the situations right now are not how we wanted them to be, there is that hour of night where there is all dark, but then there is justice still. Justice card is there, it is coming out, and we can see it coming out every time. And I'm not, though I was thinking, and I was I started doubting myself, but no, we are not going to doubt this. This is going to happen. Right now I didn't have time to make a complete video, but I wanted to give Sushant's message to all of you. And Sushant, is there any other message that you want to give? any other message? So he's saying that stand your ground. It is important to stand your ground. It is important to see things in light. Don't worry, what is happening is happening in a way it should happen, and the things will come to right, no matter what happens. And they kind of flew away. Let me see which cards are they. So there is 6 again. The 6 has come. 9 of wands, 4 of swords, and then the 6 of swords is again there. And the cards are saying that there is a situation where we are thinking and in problem and meditating or praying and fearing that something wrong should not come out. But then the cards are saying that 6 is still important. And then definitely 6 of swords is saying that there will be wish fulfillment again. But 6 of swords is saying that the things will get to calmer waters, the truth will come out, the justice would happen. And there is page of cups, there is wheel of fortune, there is 10 of cups, there is 4 of swords, 9 of wands, and then 6 again, 6 of swords. So the cards are saying that something will come out of nowhere. And when nature or when God or when cosmos tries to do things, nobody can come in between. And that is what will happen. Maybe the cosmos will have to come into play and something will come out of the blue nowhere. Again, 6 is important. Now I'm not sure what the 6 is this 6 October is already gone, but this could also be 10th, because if you kind of put everything together it becomes 6. But let's see what thing else. Sushant, is there anything else that you want to say? Any other message that you have? Sometimes with these situations we all become very stressed out, and I don't know if I stress him out, but yeah, he's saying that emotionally he's there with us, he's connected with us. We should not forget this, that he's connected with us. And no matter how much money influence is used or what happens, see this with these cards also. 5 of cups is a card when 3 cups are fallen, but there are 2 cups still there. So there is still something there which they have not looked at, which has not been looked at. And there's chariot and there is temperance. So and then there is king of swords. Something will make this king of sword come out, and then it is about his body. And I'm sure that something is going to come. We don't have to be disheartened for sure. And when that truth comes out, it is going to shake everything altogether. Don't feel stuck, devil. This is what they are making us feel right now. Don't feel stuck. Stand your ground. Don't think that there is nothing that is going to happen. And he's definitely saying that things are building up. There is 8 of pentacles, there is 8 of cups, and there is tower. So this is that tower movement that is making us feel uncomfortable, distressed, problematic. But with that tower movement, it is going to get over. Again, those cards kind of came out. And another card that came out is Queen of Cups, which is saying that it is an emotional moment, but intuitively we all know something is going to come out of it, and something favorable is going to come out of it. And that's why we don't have to be thinking about it. Queen of Cups again came out, and this means that something favorable is going to happen. Something intuitively we all know is going to happen. And there again, Queen of Wands, she again came. And I just want to see if there is no other cards. And 5 of swords, and he is saying that all 3 are going to be caught, they are going to come out, and this situation is going to lead to her. No matter how much they try to kind of get the things onto other side, this will happen. This will happen. We'll have to keep our faith. We'll have to know. And it's more difficult for me, right? I started questioning myself, who I was connected to, whether I was connected to him or not really. And 2 of cups and 10 of wands is saying, don't take burden. I'm connected with you. I'm there with you guys. Don't feel confused. There are paths ahead, and the truth will come out. There's still things that are going to come out, which have not come out, but that's still the truth. And that is why we don't have to be worried about it. Is there anything else, Sushant? Is there anything else, Sushant? So no, this is what I wanted to tell you. Thank you so much. I have readings, so I couldn't take more time out. Thank you.